Hello, mai kākou. O wau no o Kūʻike o Kalani Kamakehōhelo. And I'm the program director here at the Kupa ʻAina project for Partners in Development Foundation. Here on the Kupa ʻAina project, we grow indigenous foods, indigenous crops using indigenous practices. Our goal is always just to create impact, just a rediscovering of our identity through food.
A man who really is committed to, one, the Hawaiian culture, committed to really the role of the ʻAina in the lives of Hawaiian people, and practically involved in the production of food. What he does, what he's committed to, is consistent with our desire to bless our community, to help our community become resilient and healthy.
Outside of Partners in Development, I also work with my ohana at 808 Urban. And you know, we travel and we paint murals, paint Hawaiian art, paint Kanaka art. And it's really about creating the avenues for our keiki.
Aloha, my name is John Prime with 808 Urban. 808 Urban is a Hawaiian arts organization that takes street art and tells a story about Hawaiian culture. Kūʻike, believe it or not, is one of the artists for 808 Urban, as well as our culture person that we like to talk to. He breaks a lot of barriers. It's in his name, right? And what it's doing is it's contradicting what we think we know, yeah, as far as land, as far as how we operate. It's vice versa. When you put it in a Kanaka lens, when you put it in a Hawaiian lens, you see things differently and you move differently. The energy within yourself changes, and my time with him has really changed my energy and changed the space that I exist in to be more considerate of others, you know, welcome them to the space. And that's what he does. He's cool, he's very firm, right, in his place, and is filled with ʻike, but at the same time he's open, and he's basically love. Kūʻike is love. Love of land, love of culture, love of everything.